Yes, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap video. Okay, so today we're going to be going over my London session trade. This was a 4 risk to reward on GU. Okay, so pretty good trade. Okay, let's break it down from the higher time frame. Okay, so basically all I was looking for was I was anticipating that the high of the day was going to be put in from this 4 hour fair value gap. Reason being, there's nothing else for us to react to up here. Okay, so if we were going to be bearish, it would make sense to get the reaction from here, okay, and continue down. If we went up again, for me that would invalidate my bias, and then it would make more sense to go upwards, okay, because we disrespected then bearish fair value gap. Okay, now there is one thing to note about this as well, okay, is that we did not cause a change in state of delivery. Okay, so just here, okay, this would be our change state delivery on the 4 hourly. Obviously it wasn't put in, so we were still bullish on the hourly and also the 4 hourly, so it is slightly counter trend. It was a bit more discretion because I did think that we were going to go down towards previous day low, which is what I target, and then obviously towards previous week low as well. Okay, so as I said, this part here was discretion, okay, because we were still bullish on the 4 hourly. However, it was obviously in hindsight was correct, but that is why. Okay, now going down to the entry, it was a pretty clean entry. Standard 3-minute change in state of delivery here. If it will load, change state delivery here. Yep, okay. And then all I was looking for was a retest back at EQ, which was, sorry, no, I didn't end it here, I ended here. I ended back on the retest off EQ, and then I targeted previous day low. Okay, sorry, I didn't even say how much I won. This is on my Fivers account. I will put the screenshot up above. I made $2,042. Okay, so 4%. I actually fucked up on it. I was meant to risk 2%, which should have been a double, but I only risked 1% by accident, which is a little bit annoying. But however, it's still a good day. Okay, now we had clear ERL draw, that being previous day low, but we also had built up low resistance liquidity that we could have targeted here as well. So we'd stacked lows as well for price to look to take out as well. Okay, so it was a pretty clean trade. The high time frame wasn't the best because, as I said, we were only bearish on the daily. The 4 hourly was a bit of discretion because I did anticipate that the high of the week was put in from that 4 hour candle, but obviously it was right. But it clear draws at the downside, and we had built up low resistance liquidity as well. Okay, I am also in a EU trade, which I'll break down tomorrow, hopefully, once this gets taken out. We are pretty close to it. We actually didn't take it, yeah, we didn't take it out, so this is still running at the moment, but it is nearly about to be taken. I might get taken out here now, so I'll post that again then tomorrow. Okay, but yeah, that was it, guys. Pretty clean trade, just taking on my Fivers account, by the way. Okay, so if you guys are looking to pick up any account from Fivers, okay, I will drop a code for you guys below to use for your next purchase. Okay, so thank you very much for watching as always. Okay, as I said, I'll break down this trade here tomorrow, okay, in our next video. But yeah, appreciate it. Okay, I will always be going to live every single day over on my TikTok, Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. UK GMT time. Okay, see you in the next video.